Hi, world, everybody, and welcome. If you don't already know me, then my name is Brian, and you can call me Cheshire, because I take after the Cheshire Cat. Yeah. So I'm sure, as some of you have noticed, I'm sitting in a different spot than normal. I'm sitting on my porch and freezing because it's really cold out here. Okay. So this week for today, I'm not really sure if I should consider it this week. I've decided to do something a little different. So I'm going to make a video about things you can do during a snowstorm, which we had a snowstorm today, but it looks like it stopped snowing outside. So, yep. I'm going to make a video, an actual video. I hope you like it. Thing number 1, you can go outside. Never mind. Thing number 2, you can waste your life away watching Netflix. Because, you know, everybody loves Netflix and sitting on their couch doing nothing for the rest of eternity, because you have to catch up on every TV show that anybody's ever watched, just so you know what everyone is talking about. Thing number 3, you can sit and look through Tumblr and scroll and scroll and scroll until you run out of things to look at, which will never happen. You can act like a badass and kick noobs' asses in your favorite video game. You can watch some of your favorite channels on YouTube. You can play your favorite board game with your friends. Oh. You can have a dance party, even if it's by yourself. You can clean your mess of a bedroom. Maybe later. You could act like you're in a scary movie. I'm sure that there are a billion other things that you could do while you're home alone doing nothing. But since I can't think of any, or I can think of some, but can't exactly do them by myself, I guess this video is finally coming to a close. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment. Leave a comment below telling me, I don't know, what do you like to do when it's storming outside and you have nothing better to do, or have no one else around, or even if you do have other people around, what do you like to do? I guess I will now leave you with more of my probably hilarious dancing to Gangnam Style. Bye! Oh,